Aloha! We are Ava and Will, an adventure-seeking couple who loves to travel and share with you our budget-friendly tips.
In this episode of our best check-off list of things to do while in Oahu, Hawaii, we continue our tent camping experience at Kaiaka Bay Beach Park, waking up every morning right there on a beautiful beach.
As we travel along the most western point of Oahu, we take you to the Kaina Point Natural Area Reserve, where we get a chance to see the endangered Hawaiian monk seals.
Then we hike up another one of Hawaii's many waterfalls, Manoa Falls, a beautiful lush jungle that leads up to a 150-foot waterfall.
And who knows, you may even get to witness a surprise proposal like we did. Congratulations, Stephen and Holly. What a magical place to have a proposal.
Lastly, we hit the surfboards one last time in Waikiki.
Please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment what you think. Thank you for the continued support. Enjoy!
Good morning!
Good morning. Aloha!
Aloha!
All right, so we just had sunrise. We're waking up. Will's been up more than I have. I slept good because we had such a strenuous day yesterday. But camping, honestly, in Hawaii is really nice. It's cheap and the weather is perfect. Other than it raining on us the other day, it's perfect.
Yeah.
We love it.
Look at
That's our
the view! Look at this!
That's our view from our front yard. This is the view with the backyard. It's time for another day of adventuring.
Yes.
So follow us to have some more Hawaii adventures.
Yes.
So the next adventure on the list is Kaina Trailhead, which goes to that point on the island, and it follows an old railroad track that used to be here. Not only that, it is also a place where you can see seals, and it's also a bird sanctuary apparently at the end.
And my ankles and knees are scared because it's 2.7 miles each way.
We can do it. Kaina Trailhead, this is where we are. You can also be on this side of the island and start here. It just all meets to this point, number 5. So we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hopefully get to see seals. Hiked 2.68 miles. This door and the fence you see behind us is the natural reserve that they're protecting. I can't remember all what I read, but the ancient Hawaiians believed that the recently deceased, this is where their souls would depart from. But other than that, this is natural Hawaiian plants and animals and whatnot, and it's being protected.
We're still trying to see if we can find some seals to film for you, so
yeah!
Wish us luck.
And we heard there might be some.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Without my love for the ocean, I would be lost.
Well, we made it to the point. We found a Hawaiian monk seal, which is one of the most endangered mammals of the world.
Unfortunately, it breaks my heart though because he has a hook in his mouth.
I don't think it's a hook.
That's a hook in his mouth.
Oh, it might be.
I wish we could take it out, but we don't have like wire cutters or anything, or else I would love
There's
to.
a phone number we can call. Hi, my name's Ava. We just hiked all the way to Kaina Point, and we saw a monk seal that he has a huge hook with a fishing line in his mouth. Okay, awesome. It's been reported already. Good to hear that. All right, thank you so much. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay, well, it's already been reported. She knew exactly and described it like 5 inches of fish line and whatnot. So someone reported it earlier and she's contacted someone about it. So hopefully it'll get taken care of. That's so sad.
Well, importantly is you did the right thing.
Yeah, definitely. Poor thing. That's a huge hook. I've never seen a hook of that thick. Yeah. We found another Hawaiian monk seal. Look over there. He's chilling too. They're just chilling.
Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. It's some kind of devotion that brings me down. That without my love for the ocean, I will be no one.
Ah, we made it back. The hike took us
6.47 miles.
6.47 miles.
6.47.
And we've been here for 4 hours, and that's because we stayed and wanted to take pictures of the seals and just take it in and enjoy it.
When I walk all over you.
So, have you ever wondered how to cut a pineapple? Well, this is how. Cut the top off. Cut the bottom off. Cut your pineapple in half. Then cut your pineapple into quarters. Once you have your pineapple in quarters, make an incision long ways on each side, then simply start cutting your pineapple. And then voila! And, cool fun fact, after you're done cutting your pineapple, put the top in the ground, grow a new pineapple. Enjoy!
Aloha. If you've been wondering how we take showers while we've been camping, this is how we do it. They have an outdoor shower with cold water only. It's a pretty cold shower, y'all. And look, it's open to the air. Refreshing. All done. Ready for my day. After that relaxing shower, now just chill on this tree trunk overlooking the ocean and waiting for Will to bring us some breakfast. And then our adventure will start. It's been quite the morning already. Camping is so much fun, especially when you're in Hawaii. This is our last hike adventure. We're at Manoa Waterfall at the start of the trailhead. It's apparently 0.8 of a mile up and down, and you have protected paid parking, $7 per car, which is nice. So let's go. Let's go. Come on, maggots. Come on. Do you know how I can get out of here? There's a T-Rex over there. I'm out in the jungle and I'm lost. I'm out in the jungle in Hawaii.
Hawaii, Wild Wild West.
Hawaii, Wild Wild West. Manoa Falls. Look. To Manoa Falls. It wasn't that bad of a hike. Little bit strenuous at points, especially towards the end when you're coming up. It's all rocky, it's wet, it's like a rainforest out here.
Yeah.
But it was totally worth it. It was beautiful.
Mm-hmm. You ready for an adventure? Follow me.
That was too cold for me. That was so cold.
It was a little chilly. It was a nice hike.
Aloha realness though. And it was deeper than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. It was really nice though to have the cold water after the long hike.
Woo.
So it's about a mile hike.
I don't know, it was like stepping into a freezer, y'all. But totally worth it. Manoa Falls, definitely, the two waterfalls we have seen were really nice. I loved them.
Especially Manoa.
Yeah, Manoa is really cool. It feels very Costa Rican vibes.
Yeah.
And if you don't know what Costa Rica is like and you're curious, check out our videos. There should be some kind of link somewhere. If not, description. Or look on our channel.
I would say this is a great place to get proposed to.
How cool! Oh, congratulations!
I'm sure
I imagine so. I imagine everything's like super surreal right now. Like, no way.
Here's the ring! Congratulations!
Thank you.
It was so amazing, so beautiful. I love that. What a cool moment to be a part of. Good morning. This is our last night camping on Oahu, Hawaii. It has actually been a really fun experience and quite entertaining with all the ocean noises and alarms going off and whatnot, but we still had a good time camping, and
Yeah.
it was totally worth it. $10 a night.
Oh my god, it's
You can't beat that.
literally the most amazing, best deal ever.
And the weather's perfect for it.
Yes.
You're not too hot, you're not too cold. It's just perfect. So if you're thinking about coming to Hawaii, think about camping as an option as far as where to stay.
Yeah.
And bring a tent and fly Southwest or some airline that allows you to bring extra baggage for free.
Yes. So cool thing is, all the airline credit cards actually allow you to check bags for free, so you can always put your tent in a bag, check it like we did, or you can fly Southwest, which allows you to bring 2 check bags for free. So we were able to bring not just our tent, but we also brought a blow-up kayak. Cool thing about it is staying in the tent also allowed our budget to do more things while we were in Hawaii, but it also connected us with nature, which is one of the reasons you come to Hawaii. You know, Waikiki is cool and all that, but honestly, most people like go to Hawaii because they want to see the blue waters and stay in pristine conditions. And Waikiki at $300 a night at hotels, it doesn't even offer that. You know, while your tent at a state park or a county park definitely does offer that. So we both feel very grounded, reunited with nature, which was our goal of coming to Hawaii. And we have like literally like sea turtles like right outside our door, which is also not going to be done in Waikiki.
So yeah, this is our casa right here. All right, time for one last day of adventuring in Oahu, Hawaii. Ah! That's sadness right there. We just deflated the tent. Ah!
The sadness.
Boo-hoo.
The sadness.
Really? That's not even cute. Creeper.
And that's what you call a whiteout. Straight up, nosedive. It's so much fun surfing. I found a new sport I really like, and I don't really like sports, but this is a really good sport for me. It's so much fun. Kind of scary, but it's still a lot of fun. There's Will. That's my baby. California time.
watching more of our Hawaii adventures. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, enjoy the bloopers, and followed by a sneak peek of the next episode. All right, we're gonna go out and then talk.
Hold on, wait. I have an idea.
No, this is okay.
No, look.
Just let me do it. Hurry up, because I'm recording.
Oh, really?
Yeah, come on. Let's go.
I was gonna put the Velcro.
Just you hold this one and I hold this one. Come
Okay, let's do it.
Ready? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
Good morning!
Good morning. Aloha.
Aloha!
Oh gosh. Oh, the sun's coming out. Nice.
Ava's defying death, putting on socks on a rock, looking down towards certain graves.
Oh.
Now the socks are wet.
Yeah, it's time to go there. On to the next adventure!
Let's do this, BM. You ready, baby cakes?
Yes.
Then let's go.
Let me know when you're ready.
It's filming. Where do you want it pointed?
Do you know how I can get out of here? There's a T-Rex over there. I'm out in the jungle and I'm lost.
Really?
Yeah, the GoPro batteries go the fastest, the worst. Like, you're wasting battery.
Triggered.
Really? That's not even cute. Creeper. Will just voted us to be first to go diving with the sharks in the cage.
Yeah. There's no time like right now.
Oh God.
Yeah.
I'm so scared. We did it! Nervous me just went swimming with sharks in a cage, y'all.
Swam with sharks.